Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safira Elfirdausi. In this video, I will show my presentation. I will present language change. Explanation about language change. Language change refers to the way language evolves and transformation over time, encompassing shift in pronunciation, grammar, meaning, and another aspect of language. In sociolinguistics, language change is a central topic, the study of how language interacts with social factors such as social, cultural, political, and contextual influences. By studying language change, learners can gain insight into the social and cultural dynamics of language use and the ways language reflects and shapes society. Type of language change. Lexical in the structure and form of words. Example, dream for dreamed. Regulation or irregular verb. Phonological change. Change in the pronunciation of words over time. Example, going instead of going, dropping of final consonant in some dialect. Semantic change. Change in word meanings. Example, narrowing, meat. Used to mean food in general. Meaning becomes more specific. Syntactic change. Change in sentence structures or word order. Example, do support in question, do you know? Use of auxiliary verbs. Key aspect of language change. Social factors. There is factors such as age. Younger generation often lead language change. Gender. Women are frequently found to adopt and spread linguistic innovation more than men. Social class. Language features often vary by socioeconomic status. Variation and change. Linguistic variation. Language change often start a variation, different ways of saying the same thing. Apparent time hypothesis. Studying people of different age at one time to infer change over time. Rule of identity and social meaning. Language choices signal social identity and group membership. Speakers might adopt change to align with or distance themselves from certain social group. Technology and media influence. The internet, social media, and mass media accelerate the spread of linguistic innovation, like emojis, abbreviation, and memes. Mechanism of language change. Borrowing, adopting of word or structure from another language. Code switching and mixing, shifting between language or dialect, often in multilingual communities. Analogy, regularization, irregular patterns. Example, knowed instead of knew. Innovation and diffusion. New forms arise and spread through a speech community. Conclusion. Language change is an inevitable and continuous process deeply of human interaction. Sociolinguists views language change as a reflection of social structure, identity, and cultural shifts. Change often emerges from linguistic creation within communities and spread through social networks, driven by innovation, contact with others' language, and the desire to express social belonging or distinction. Social linguistics allow us to appreciate how social forces influence language and in turn how language both shapes and reflects society. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present elocution. Explanation about elocution. Elocutionary acts are speech acts that contains intent and speech power. Elocutionary acts are not easily identified because elocutionary acts are related to who is speaking to whom. When and where the speech acts are performed, the elocutionary act is the function of intended meaning in utterance. In simple words, elocutionary acts are the real action which are performed by utterance. Studying elocutionary act, people know more knowledge in understanding speakers' utterance in certain situations. Type of elocution: representative. This act commits the speaker to the truth of proposition, including stating, reporting, describing, claiming, and explaining. For example, the sky is blue is a representative act asserting the truth of that statement. Directive aim to get the listener to do something, including requesting, commanding, advising, inviting. For example, could you open the window? It is polite request versus open the window, a command. Commissive. This act commits the speaker to a future course of action, including promising, offering, ferrying, guaranteeing. For example, I will call you tomorrow, often tied to cultural expectation about promises. Expressive express the speaker's psychological state or attitude, including thanking, apologizing, congratulating, and complaining. For example, I'm sorry for the mistake is an expressive act conveying the speaker's regret. Declaration: this act brings about a change in state of affairs through the utterance itself, including declaring war, naming a ship, or pronouncing someone guilty. For example, I now pronounce you husband and wife, legally changing the status of someone individuals. Key aspect of elocution: speech act function, elocutionary act including promising, requesting, apologizing. The focus is on what kind of social action is being performed. Context dependence: elocutionary force can vary based on social context, setting, relationship, cultural norms. Politeness and power dynamic. Social linguistics study how elocutionary act reflect or negotiate social hierarchy, solidarity, and politeness strategies. Cross-cultural variation. Different cultures may interpret of performance elocutionary act differently. A direct comment in one culture may be seen as a rude in another, where indirectness is preferred. Perlocution vs. elocution. Elocution is about the intended effect, making requests. Social linguistics are also interested in how often the perlocutionary effects actual outcome align with it. Mechanism of language change, sociolinguistic, linguist variation, and social contrast. People often use different action, dialect, register, or style to distinguish social group. Example, saying ain't fish isn't it may mark working class fish middle class identity in some communities. Markedness, one form is seen as default or natural, unmarked, and the others as different nor notable market. Example in English, male forms actor often unmarked, while female norms actress are marked, signaling generate linguistic opposition. Cultural and norms matter. What counts as a polite request or a rude comment varies across cultures, making elocution deeply tied to social cultural norms. Ideological opposition. Language just reflects broader ideologies. Belief system such as nationalism, sexism, or classism. Expel political heresy can create linguistic opposition that reinforce social boundaries. Code switching and diglossia. Speaker might switch language or dialect to align with or oppose particular group or situation. Example, a bilingual speaker may use one language at home and another at school. Conclusion, elocution is a crucial concept because it highlights how language is used not just to convey information, but to perform social actions such as requesting, apologizing, commanding, or inviting with specific cultural and social contexts. The study of elocution in social linguistics emphasizes that language is a tool for social interaction and meaning arises not just from words themselves but for the interaction of speaker, the interpretation of hearer in which communication takes place. I will present locution. Explanation about locution. Locution is a term used in linguistics and especially in speech act theory to refer to the literal meaning of what someone says, the actual word, phrases, and sentences spoken or written. Locution, speech act are speech act to express something. This speech act is often referred to as the act of saying something. In this speech act, a series of language sounds are produced meaning something. Type of locution. Phonetic locution. This is the physical act of producing sounds, speech, or writing. Study how pronunciation varies areas, region, social classes, or ethnic group. Example, the word tomato pronounced differently in American and British. Grammatical or syntactic locution. Analyze how sentence structure vary in dialect or informal versus formal context. This refers to the grammar and syntax of the utterance. Example, ain't got no money. Non-standard English. I don't have any money. Standard English. Lexical locution. Examine word choices based on age, region, or social group. Focuses on the vocabulary used. Example, pop, soda, soft drink. All mean the same thing but vary by region. Pragmatic locution. A locution may appear natural but carry different implementation in different communities. Example, you're brave may literally praise someone but in context it might be sarcastic. Dialectical or sociological locution refers to how the some locution wording might differ across dialect or social language varieties used by different social groups. Example, you all Southam use English versus you guys Northam use English, you lot British English. Key aspect of locution. Aspect, locutionary act, description, the literal act of speaking, sound, grammar, meaning. For example, shut the door. Illocutionary, intended function of the locution. The example, can you help me? Polite request. Social meaning, the description reflects identity, class, group. For example, what's up? Hello, sir. Code switching, the exception alternating between language or dialect. For example, Tango homework today. Indexiality, description, locution, signal, group affiliation. For example, use of slang accent. Pragmatic interpretation, description, meaning depends on context and shared assumption. For example, it is cold in here, recast to shut window. Mechanism of illocution. Phonetic act, the physical production of linguist sound, tongue, lip, vocal cord, or hand gesture in sign language. Example, saying the word cat. Pathic act, ensuring that the utterance follow the linguistic rules of the language. Use of syntax, sentence structure, and morphology, word formation. For example, the cat is sleeping. Follow standard English grammar. Rhetoric act, the examination of sense and reference to the word, giving the meaning, reference connecting words to actual object, action, or ideas. In the word semantic, understanding what the words mean. Example, cat refers to a small domestic feline animal and sleeping refers to the action of resting. Conclusion: the locutionary act is the fundamental layer of communication in speech act theory. It refers to the act of producing a meaningful linguistic expression, encompassing the physical articulation of sound or sign, the grammatical structuring of words, and the assignment of meaning. I will present perlocution. Explanation about perlocution. The act of perlocution is known as the act of affecting someone. The speech uttered by a speaker often has an effect of power influence, perlocutionary force. For those who listen to it, this effect or power of influence can occur because the speaker intentionally or unintentionally creates it. It's not about what it said, locution, or what it meant, elocution, but about what happened as a result of saying it. Type of act, focus, example. Locutionary, the focus, literal sentence and meaning. For example, you left the door open. Statement about the door. Illocutionary, the focus, speaker attention. For example, you left the door open. A complaint for request to close it. Perlocutionary, the focus, effect on listener. For example, you left the door open. Listener feels embarrassed for shut the door. Type of perlocution. Persuasive causes someone to agree, believe, or change opinion. For example, you should really eat healthier. Listen, change diet. Directive leads to action or behavior. Example, close the window. Listener shut the window. Emotive triggers emotion response. For example, you are always ignoring me. Listener feel hurt. Impressive. Leave a lasting impact or impression. For example, that was the best speech I ever had. Listener feel inspired. Deterrent prevent or discourage an action. For example, you will regret that decision. Listeners consider. Encouraging promotes confidence or motivation. Listener feel reassured. Frightening incites fears or anxiety. Example, there is something behind you. Listener become afraid. Key aspect of perlocution. Effect-oriented. A perlocutionary act is defined by its outcome or effect on the listener, persuading, frightening, assuming. It focuses on what the utterance causes the hearer to do, feel, or think, dependent on the listener. The success of a perlocutionary act depends on the response of the hearer, not just speaker's intent. Variable and unpredictable. The same utterance can produce different perlocutionary effects depending on the listener's background, context, and emotional, physiological, or behavioral impact. It is often involve a mental or physical reaction, being convinced, startled, comforted, or motivated. Mechanism of perlocution. Step, discussion example. Step utterance, the description. Speaker says something. For example, there is something behind you. Elocution, description, the intention behind words. For example, warning. Reception, the description, hearer interprets it. For example, recognize its warning. Processing, the description, mental or emotion reaction. For example, get scared. Perlocution, the description, actual effect on hearer. For example, turns around quickly. Conclusion, perlocution refers to the effect an utterance has on a listener, whether emotional, psychological, or behavioral. Unlike the speaker's attention, elocution, perlocution is centered on the actual impact of speech on the hearer. That's all for my presentation. I'm sorry if there are any mistaken. Thank you so much.